Alright, what's good, YouTube? I'm back with another video. I'm trying to do more YouTube. It's been a new year. I just been slacking. I'm not gonna lie to you. We finished off the year pretty solid. I think it was a good year. Most I've ever uploaded, anything like that. So yeah, I just want to get on here and try to get back consistent. Consistency is a struggle with me sometimes just because, you know, you gotta find time. I got kids and I got all this other stuff going on. So trying to find time is hard sometimes, but we back. Today I finally tried out a pair of the BARBERSHOP FX clippers. The maintenance lady was walking around with clippers. She found it. Some guy down the hall moved out and he left a bunch of clippers behind, so she gave them to us. So I got a pair of gold FX clippers and I tried them out and I kind of like them. I'm not gonna lie to you. I wasn't necessarily against them, but I wasn't always for them either. But now that I've tried them, I'm probably gonna dive deep into those clippers and look at other blades and other clippers. So I'm gonna check them out today. I feel like a lot of funny stuff happens at the shop and things behind the scenes. So I'm gonna try to start vlogging or something. Today I had to go get the Sandux strips. I also got the coarse cutter blade from Andis. I need to replace my blade on my fast feeds. I also been trying to use other clippers that I own. I feel like I got a bunch of clippers that I don't even use. Trying to put other stuff into rotation and not sticking to one specific clipper every single day. Try to mix things up a little bit. Right now I'm on my break, picking up the kids, and then I'm back to the shop. You see my boy Jose. You see my girl Andre. Andre in here getting bullied by my kids.
I'm his favorite client.
You're a liar.
You recording? You recording right now?
No, I'm recording.
Let me act a fool right quick.
Chill out.
He says, hold on, mate.
Don't call him mate, Dad. Mate means friend.
Look at these.
So you're gonna be able to see mean cut too?
You could tell. You could tell these been used.
Huh?
You could tell these
See mean
been.
cut?
Shut up, Jose. You could tell these been used.
Yeah, fool.
Did you order the customs?
No,
Are you going to?
not yet. I think I am.
Let me see it before you order it.
Why? Why?
I kind of want some, but I don't need them.
All right, what are we doing, Mija?
High fade. But with
You just
but with the
did
drop.
mid twice, and now you want to go back to high?
Yeah.
Boy, you're
Bro,
killing
my
me.
hair goes
You're
off
killing
fast,
me, bro.
man. I'm like, damn. I figured I'd give it a shot. My hair goes up too fast, man.
All clients say, "Oh, my hair grows too fast.
My hair grows up.
My hair grows too fast." Boy. So what are we doing? 1.5? Leave the top, you say, huh?
On the top.
Get out my face, boy. So what are you doing on top? 1.5?
The top? No. We live in the top. Damn. We live in the top.
You got issues. What's wrong with you, boy? My audience doesn't want to see you, bro. Listen to how loud he is, bro.
You know Mike for me.
You cockeyed. Don't wink. We don't know which eye you're. We don't know if you're blinking or. Look how old these look. They're so old. They're yellow.
They're yellow, bro. I've never seen that.
They rusty inside. Bro, I've never seen no clippers turn yellow ever in my life.
How long you had those for?
The maintenance lady just gave them to us. The guy down the hall. He
She gave them to
got up
you?
out of here.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
And she just gave them to you?
Yeah, she gave them to me, bro.
And you inspected
Do I need to repeat myself?
You inspected it and said, why would she give you some rusty old clippers?
Because we seen her walking around with them. We said, hey, you need those?
Because they're for the app. You know what I mean?
For the app.
Yeah.
For what?
Is your high do that?
For the free, bro. Freecreditreport.com.
Speaking of that, I need to do my taxes, man.
21.
Bro, listen.
Why you so loud, bro? Damn.
That's just who I am, man. You know who I am.
I don't even know you like that.
You know me,
Yes,
bro.
Dad, why don't you go backwards?
I don't know,
I
man.
don't know, man.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yes, okay.
Why don't you do that?
I don't know, man. Bro, Andre.
It'll save you time.
I don't know. Everything that has to do with Andre just doesn't make sense.
Watch, look.
Really not for me.
That's right.
Jose wants to be my teacher. Go, Jose. Go,
Backwards.
go,
Why don't you go
go,
backwards?
go.
Why don't you go backwards? Hey, Tony's on. I want to talk.
Ooh, I got a good one.
Yeah, that's dope. Yeah, that's pretty much it though.
Let me just try it out.
Why don't you do it like that?
Why y'all in my business,
And
fool?
then like make a little stupid useless line.
Like thinks he just
Make sure I do the right one.
But like work out and watch MasterChef.
Look at my clippers, cuz. You see his hair? They still ugly.
I know it, because then you gotta make your mind like how you make it.
Because I do what I do, and I know what I want
What
to
is
do.
that?
I feel like it's the same. You just cut fast. Your hands just move faster.
My hands don't move faster. It's just
Your hands move
I
faster,
don't
fool.
waste steps. You feel me? I don't waste movement. Cut
La
weight.
ta 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 ta, la ta 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 ta.
I'm not the shop man.
Oh, you want to be in it? I'm gonna cut like this so you can be in it, Jose.
Psych.
A little bit more
Sorry.
I don't care about all this celebrityness.
You gotta be a celebrity if we're gonna do the podcast. What's wrong with you? Now you don't want to be on camera? Now he's too good to be on camera?
I've been on camera, but I don't want to be famous, you know. I can't even go to my local Walmart.
You ain't that damn famous. God damn.
21. Can you do something, man? Who's that barber we're gonna argue with? Hey, Joe.
You know what? I'm gonna take that out. This is a disclaimer. We ain't scared of nobody. We just don't want altercations right now.
Except I keep saying his name.
I'm gonna turn the audio up.
He said
This is our podcast, Andre, right here. You're in it.
21.
Yeah.
So let's talk about life.
Let's talk about it.
I was going to be a dad soon, one day, eventually. I don't know how, but
Check it
it's
out.
possible.
How do you feel about women peeing outside?
Wait, what? Peeing outside.
Peeing outside.
Like,
Outside.
how do I feel about it?
Like, have you ever seen it?
No.
Really?
Wait. No, that's a lie. I have.
How do you feel about it?
It's like, damn, that's kind of a. I'm like,
Don't do that.
nah, I'm like,
He's like, I did it before.
wouldn't you feel uncomfortable? Because, like, they got a wife. You know what I'm saying? They ain't got nothing to wipe. I mean, that's on
They
them.
got a wife.
That's on them. I ain't got no opinion on it, honestly. I mean, if you want to do it, go ahead. By all means. That's your choice.
What does by all means mean?
By all means. Go ahead. Do it. That's your choice.
Jose, what kind of lettering are you gonna get?
I don't know if I want like
Get an Eskimo tatted on your
red,
chest.
old English.
Eskimo.
You gotta be in the know to know.
Honestly, I like letting the artist like decide. Like I want it right here. So what lettering would you go good right there? Jason Tatum, 25 points.
Don't start.
Robert Williams,
Don't
6
start.
rebounds.
Wait, everyone's gone.
LeBron James, 30 points.
Wait, no, this is-
Luka, 8 assists. Thomas Bryant, 8 rebounds. Thomas Bryant, 15 points.
That's the payout.
I've gone insane.
It's plus 500, $10, $50.
Place it.
It's off a better.
BR betting.
Yeah.
Jose, you're talking to someone who doesn't know basketball.
I love basketball. It's my favorite sport.
My favorite sport.
I like the way they dribble up and down the court.
Shut up, Jose.
Put 50 on that.
Put 50, and then give me 50.
I'll split it. 21. Can't get it.
21.
I'm gonna show my homeboy see what he thinks he's professional. He be hitting 25 leggers. You hear me?
What are the odds?
Who gives a f about the odds? It's 25
25
legs.
legs though.
He hits $10.
You must be doing like guaranteed things then. That are like most likely.
Nothing's guaranteed.
Nothing's guaranteed in betting.
What I mean is the ones that are
What
most
I
likely.
mean
What I mean,
What I mean is,
what I mean is
Hey,
jelly,
Joe.
jelly bean.
that's what said it like it was one word. What I mean is.
Why's my Asian coming at me, bro?
Fool, are you Asian? Yeah, you can't come in here with all that positive energy, bro. We don't like that, bro.
What you mean?
We don't like that, bro. You're smiling, bro. You just got a number in the parking lot or what?
Huh?
You got a number in the parking lot or what?
This guy's like pulling in. I'm like, that's what she's.
This fool just say he's the Asian Michael
Asian
B.
Michael
Jordan.
B. Jordan.
How the Catholic Church is
Zoom in. Can you zoom in?
about like how they were
There's a lot of.
Let me do my lights and stare.
exposed and like
Camera.
shit. But I say shit like
I'm out.